Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be filming for you guys my go-to makeup look. So this has just been the makeup look that has been easy for me, and it's something that I've been doing every single day. It's not too dramatic, but you still look nice and put together. So I really hope that you guys enjoy. If you do, just give it a thumbs up. Although you don't have to, of course. I'm just happy that you guys are here, and let's get started. To start off, I'm just going to take these two clips and put them in my hair. So for primer, I'm going to be using the Super Goop Matte Screen sunscreen, I guess. It has 40 SPF, and I'm going to use it as a primer. So it kind of comes out kind of like tan, and you kind of just, it kind of reminds me of like the Benefit Professional, but this has sunscreen. So now that my primer is done, I'm gonna move on to foundation. So I'm mixing the Fenty Pro Filter foundation. I think this is like the dewy one or something. I'm using the Frankie Rose foundation in neutral. And then I'm also going to use the Born This Way foundation by Too Faced in warm nude. So here I'm just taking the 1,000 foundations that I used, LOL, and I'm just going to apply all over my face, and don't forget your neck as well. Alright, so I'm just taking a damp beauty blender. You can use any beauty blender you like. This one's just from Sephora or Beauty Blender, and it's the nude one. And then just make sure that you dampen the sponge, and also I use a brush to get on my neck. So for cream contour, I'm going to use this Laura Mercier cream contour palette. You guys don't even want to know how old this is. I definitely should not be using it because it's old. But all my cream contour got stolen, so desperate times call for desperate measures. And this is just going to go on my cheekbones. So I'm going to be taking the contour, and I'm going to go right kind of on my cheekbones and a little under, but not too low. And then I'm also going to take it down my nose. I've really been liking contouring my nose. I just feel like, I don't know, it looks good. So you can kind of contour whatever you see fit. I have a smaller head or forehead, so I don't go too crazy, but obviously, you know, if you have any problem areas that you want to slim down, like I do my neck a lot, and yeah, I really like how it looks. So you can just place the product, and then I just go ahead and blend it all out. I've been liking this brush. It's a Tarte brush. Don't know when I got this. It's old though. LOL. But yeah, I don't know why I really like this. I feel like it blends out everything seamlessly. I'm going to take this little Sephora brush, and this is what I'm going to use to blend out the nose part. Alright, so there's the cream contour done, and it kind of just slims my face. Next, I repurchased this when I placed the big Sephora order to replace a lot of my stuff that got stolen. And this is the Tarte cream bronzer. It's definitely not as opaque as the one I was just using. It's a lot more subtle, and it's a lot warmer. So this will give you a nice like all over bronze look. So I'm going to take a little bit of foundation on like a small amount, and I'm just going to clean up right here because I feel like on both sides I went a little far. Like a little too far down. Alright, so after that I am going to put on some concealer. Unfortunately, concealer was stolen too, and I got the the Tarte Shape Tape, but I got it in the wrong color, so it's just awesome. So here I'm just placing majority of the concealer right in my inner corner. It's where I get the darkest, and I'm just going to place this on all the points I want to be highlighted. then I'm gonna take the same brush that I used for my nose contour, and I'm just going to first like kind of buff out the edges of the concealer. It also picks up the concealer, so I'm not like putting as much on my face. But first I'm gonna do this just like messily, and I like to like get in my inner corners as well. And then I'm gonna take my sponge, and that's when we blend it even more. All right, so I'm gonna use a sponge and this powder, and we're just gonna bake under the eye. So for powder on the rest of my face, I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder, and this is in 2 medium. Bitch, how is this medium? I'm gonna use this to kind of brush away the bake. Sorry, I can't talk. All right, so now that we're powdered up, I'm gonna do some contour. So now that my face is all powdery, I'm gonna do some contour using the Hoola bronzer. Quarantine 15, you gotta contour it up. All right, so since we contoured, I'm now gonna use some bronzer.
All right guys, so after I'm done bronzing, I'm just gonna add a little bit of blush, and then I'm going to contour my nose.
So after the setting spray, I like to do some highlighter. So this is Gilded Honey Laura Geller. All right, so I'm gonna do some highlighting just on the tops of my cheeks. And it just brightens it all up. Brows, and then I'll be right back. All right guys, so I totally messed with the lighting, and I don't know if this is better or worse. So yeah, I'm not really like tech savvy with this stuff. I just kind of like wing it, and hopefully it looks decent. But if it doesn't, whatever, you guys can drag me, that's fine. All right, so I just went ahead and did my eyebrows, so I look a little rare, like crazy, like oh my god, your eyebrows are huge. And I just used the Anastasia Brow Wiz and the Dip Brow. Even though I'm not really a fan of Anastasia Beverly Hills, but it's all I have. So next we're gonna move on to eyes. So when I had to go on Sephora and repurchase most of the stuff that was stolen, this was something that actually I just bit the bullet and bought. This wasn't stolen, but I did buy it. And it's my first Natasha Denona palette. This is the bronze palette, so duh, my favorite colors are bronze colors. So this was $65, which I know, crazy, it's a lot of money, but it's gorgeous. So I'm gonna take some of these matte warm colors, and I'm just gonna throw these in the crease. A little fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go right into my crease. I'm gonna take another brush, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the warmer, lighter color, and I'm just gonna buff out that first color we put down, and this is gonna bring some more warmness into the eyeshadow look. And then next I'm gonna take like a smaller tapered brush, and I'm gonna take this darker warm tone brown, and I'm gonna put this like on this area. I don't know what you call that. Not in my crease really, but right below. Alright, so I'm basically gonna take Ridge, which is this color right here, and I'm gonna place this on my lid.
So I just wanted to say, I do think this look will look really good if you actually cut your crease and then go in with the matte color.
After that's on the lid, you're just gonna wanna take a brush again and buff it all out. Alright, then we're gonna take a smaller brush and we're gonna do the exact same thing we did on the lid kind of, but just using. Alright, then I'm gonna go back in with a completely clean brush and buff out those edges. You can do eyeliner and mascara or just mascara. I'm gonna start with mascara and kind of see if I need the eyeliner. Just like I'll see if I need fake eyelashes. I'm not sure. And if you're someone that can do their mascara and not get it on your eyelid, I praise you, because I'm always getting it on my eyelid and it's so annoying.
Alright, so as you guys can see, I chose to do no eyeliner or lashes for this video.
To make it easy, I'm just gonna do like a little nude moment. Alright, so now that's the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, this is my go-to makeup look. I haven't been doing eyeliner or fake lashes, and I think it just looks really put together and you look warm, bronzy. Who doesn't want to look warm and bronzy? So if you guys do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment on maybe what you'd like to see next. And I hope you guys have a good day or night whenever you watch this. Bye guys.